A couple days ago, I posted a video of me running tracks live on my Mac and my PC. I'm going to show you today how you can run a redundant record or playback system using tracks live. In this instance, we're going to use my PC to control my Mac, and we're going to do that with linear timecode. Okay, so if we go up to Preferences, we'll go to our Sync menu, and we can see down below the linear timecode generator. We need to check Enable LTC Generator. Send LTC while stopped is not necessary for this example. And then lastly, we need to route what channel we're sending timecode out. In this example, we're sending it out SoundGrid 32 because it's out of the way of other SoundGrid channels we're using. It's worth noting that while I'm using the same SoundGrid network for my redundancy, you can set up two separate computers using two separate interfaces, perhaps two MGBs, to create your redundancy there, and then just route your LTC to the other MGB. Okay, so if we head over to our slave computer, we'll go to Preferences. We will leave the LTC generator area alone because we're not sending timecode out our slave. We'll go up to Sync Input, select LTC, and then also, for this example, we'll use SoundGrid port 32 as well. Freewheel is the point that Tracks Live will keep on playing if it loses sync with the timecode. You can set that to a small value, or you can send it all the way up to jam sync, which basically means that it would keep on playing forever, even if it loses timecode sync. For example, your A computer crashes, your B computer will keep on playing or recording until you physically stop it. Let's go ahead and pull over SoundGrid Studio. It's worth noting that even though I'm using SoundGrid Studio, you could use the LV1 mixer or multi-rack to accomplish the same thing. Okay, we can go to our system inventory page. We've got our two computers. You can see 32 driver channels on each, and there's the IOX, not using that for this example. Over on the device-to-device page, we're going to be running from our desktop PC to our laptop computer via channel 32. So SoundGrid 32, we'll go over, find our MacBook, and route to its input, SoundGrid 32. And that will pipe timecode from our PC to our Mac. If we head back to our Mac and go to the timecode source area, click Internal, and select LTC, Tracks Live will start to look for timecode. The flashing green play button means we're ready for playback. If we go over to our desktop computer and hit the play button, we can now see that Tracks Live is synced on both computers. Since we didn't select Jam Sync on our B computer, if we hit the spacebar on our A computer, playback will stop on our B computer as well. If you'd like to record or record and play back, you need to go up to the top here and click the record button. That puts your B computer in a record ready state. Whether you record or just play back on your A computer, audio will start recording and playing back on your B computer in this state. Okay guys, thanks for checking out the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to see more content. Thanks again.